Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles healthy step by step. Preheat your waffle iron and gather whole grain flour, eggs or egg substitute, and a natural sweetener. Measure ingredients precisely and mix wet and dry separately to avoid overworking the batter. Fold in fruits or grated vegetables for texture and added nutrients. Cook until golden brown, then cool briefly before serving to maintain crispness and flavor. Start by swapping refined flour with oat or almond flour to boost fiber and protein without sacrificing structure. Replace half the oil with Greek yogurt or unsweetened applesauce to reduce fat while keeping moistness. Use mashed banana or a small amount of maple syrup for sweetness, and add cinnamon, vanilla, or citrus zest to increase perceived sweetness without extra sugar. Test batter consistency and adjust with small amounts of milk when needed. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more healthy cooking tips. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is an easy way to keep your car smelling fresh after grocery runs or messy waffle toppings, and it pairs humorously with the aroma of cinnamon from your kitchen. It's a small, fun treat that makes errands nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Choose toppings that add nutrition, like fresh berries, sliced banana, and a dollop of Greek yogurt instead of pouring syrup. Sprinkle chia, flax, or hemp seeds and a little nut butter for healthy fats and staying power. Control portions by making smaller waffles or having traditional servings to manage calories. Plate with a side of fruit or a small smoothie to complete the meal and keep blood sugar steady through the morning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.